No.
So, good morning, everybody.
I can't see anything.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. So, I have now 404 people live in my assembly hall, which is absolutely fantastic. The sun is shining and it's a blue sky, and a particularly warm welcome to everybody who is overseas, all our boarders who are about to go to bed. I'd like to say a particular hello to grannies, dogs, cats,
Don't do it in it. I don't know if anyone can see.
everybody who is tuning in from Bournemouth, from the area. Everybody give each other a wave. Should we start by saying wave? Let's have a wave. I've got people waving back at me. I can see Anna. I can see Gracie. Perfect. And I'm just about to start my assembly. So wonderful. So if everyone can listen very quietly, that will help me massively. Wonderful. So I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody for the lovely messages that have been coming in to Talbot Heath School from parents, from pupils, from staff. It's been fantastic for me as head to be able to keep communicating with you all in your homes and keep that community spirit going. Now, we are about to attempt in a moment a live hymn singing. Now, when we tried this yesterday with 3 people, it was quite ambitious. I now have 450 people who are going to attempt this, and we are aware that what I'm going to do next is not likely to work.
Olivia, come here.
I'm a head teacher who plays it safe, you know that. Pupils and staff and parents will know if Mrs. Hall is given 2 options. 1, try the risky option that's going to fail, or 2, play it safe. I'll always go for 1. So in a moment, I shall live stream a karaoke film of the hymn with music. And I'm going to ask you to try and sing along with it.
It's Lila.
It is going to glitch. It may stop and start, but I'm going to let it run for 2 to 3 minutes until it finishes, and then I'll start talking to you again. So, good luck, everybody. I'm going to attempt to play the hymn.
I can hear it. Oh, I have to sing. Sing Hosanna, I told you.
Sing Hosanna. Sing Hosanna. Sing
Well done, everybody. Great singing. That was good. Well done, well done. I could hear you and see you singing around the Bournemouth area, which is fantastic. Those people who wrote onto the hymn sheet, we will know who you are and find out. So there is nowhere to hide in this. But I wanted to say to everybody, those hymn words, they are give me joy in your heart, keep me praising, keep me singing. And I think that's really important for us all as a community now. Never in my life have I had to think and plan as quickly as I have done in the last week. My adrenaline levels have been sky high, and in terms of crisis management and response, I've really had to dig deep. And thank you to the teachers, to the pupils, to my wonderful senior leadership team. I have had to dig really deep. But I've always kept that joy in my heart. And what is so important? Where do I get my joy from? Where should we get our joy from? Well, it's the joy from those messages on WhatsApp, those group videos, Zoom lessons. Whenever I see my family, and I spoke to my brother yesterday for the first time in 3 months, sorry Nathan, whenever I see my family or chat to them or see them on Zoom, it gives me joy in my heart. And my parents, they're in their 80s, hello mum, hello dad, they have been Zooming, joining me, WhatsApping me. And you can keep joy in your heart, and you can spread joy just by spending time with people, as we are now, being part of a community. And I also take joy in nature around us. How wonderful that this morning we have a blue sky and the sun shining, and we can enjoy spring and enjoy nature. And I am on site at the moment. I'm in my office, although behind me I'm on the assembly stage, but I can see all the birds nesting. I can see that nature on our site, even though there's no one here, is still going on and full of going forward. So we are living physically more divided than we have ever been before. But I think in terms of a community, those bonds of the heart are closer now than they have been in months. And you are spending time with your family, you're spending time with friends and teachers through Zoom. And even though we may not be there with you physically, we are here for you and is here as a really strong community. And there is joy in our hearts. There is warmth, there is compassion, there is kindness, there is support for one another. And that will continue. We are here for you as a school. That will continue. And you will have all that love and support, even if you are in your own homes and not seeing each other physically every day. So I wanted to finish by showing you 2 video clips that have really been on my mind this week. Now, one of them, the pupils might remember, involves the evil octopus villain Dave. And he, in the film The Minions, tries to video call in to the good guys and tell them what his evil demands are to take over the world. But as it's video conferencing, it doesn't quite work. So in a moment, I'm going to show you Dave the Octopus, and all those grandparents and parents watching, you'll understand. And the other film and video clip that has been going through my mind this week is the penguins of Madagascar, and how they always say, smile and wave, boys, smile and wave. And they have a plan for any disastrous situation. They get a paperclip out of their mouth. They get themselves out of the most difficult of situations, no matter what. So I'm going to finish by trying to play you now. Let's see if this works.
Just going to show you, Dave.
I'm going to show you some video clips now. See if you can watch this.
Where's the sound? Dave, your microphone, it's not
Click
on.
on the button with the picture of the
Every
microphone.
time a villain calls in, this happens.
Hello? Hello?
Well, now we can
So
hear you,
annoying.
but we cannot see you.
Every time.
That's like talking to my parents.
How about now?
Yes! Oh, yes, we've got you. That's
Excellent.
fantastic.
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
So that's the I want you to hold on to.
What?
We're going to send out Dave, the hymn, and we're going to send out a video recording of this, including some of your singing, everybody. So this is Mrs. Holloway ending our assembly, sending you all our love and best wishes from Talbot Heath. And now I'm going to attempt to end this meeting. Here we go. I'm going to say goodbye, and then give me a wave. Say goodbye before we end. Bye. I can see everybody waving. Bye, everyone. Bye. Have a good day. Bye. Bye. Stay at school. Enjoy your day at school. Bye.